My name is Ashley Erico. I'm a licensed professional counselor and nationally certified counselor in Austin, Texas. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit on how to intervene quickly and easily when you're feeling anxious or stressed or just feeling overwhelmed. So I'm sure you've heard that breathing, taking a deep breath, can help calm you. And that's true, but it can be most effective when you are aware of a couple tips. For instance, always make sure you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And the exhale should be longer than the inhale. So see if you could practice along with me. I'll count and you go ahead and do the breathing. So breathe in through your nose, 2, 3, and hold it, 2, 3, and exhale through your mouth, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully you kind of felt that. Just make your whole body go, ah. So that combination does trigger a kind of like a switch in your brain to say calm down. Another thing that's important to remember is when you breathe all the way into your stomach. If you breathe into your chest, that actually can have the opposite effect and make you hyperventilate. So let's try this one more time. This time I'm going to do it along with you and I'll count along with my fingers. All right? So breathe in through your nose. Hold it. And out through your mouth. Hopefully that helped and add a little calm to your day. If you have any questions or comments, or if you'd like to set up a session with me, please feel free to check out my website, which is www.ashleyerico.com. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.